Hello, this is Hank's Garage GTR R35. It's the most famous GTR R35 in Thailand. The body is top secret. It has 1,000 horsepower and the rear wing adjusts into a half. I'm gonna show you around. Those are just the mechanics in the car. Here's the tires. It's top secret and it's very, very famous. I told you the rear wing adjusts into half, so this one goes up and this one goes down. It can do anything. The other side of the car is just like the same. This is a mini version of the car. That's all. Bye.